Welcome to this tutorial on how to withdraw crypto from Revolut to a wallet. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Revolut to a personal wallet. First, you need to have a Revolut account with a crypto balance. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a Revolut account and fund it with fiat currency. Then buy crypto using the Revolut app. Next, you need to set up a personal crypto wallet. There are many options available, including software wallets like MetaMask and hardware wallets like Ledger. Choose a wallet that suits your needs and follow the setup instructions provided by the wallet provider. Once you have your Revolut account and personal wallet set up, you can start the withdrawal process. Open the Revolut app, navigate to the crypto section, and select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click on the withdraw button and enter the amount you want to withdraw. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient address, which is the address of your personal wallet. Make sure to enter the address correctly, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You can find the recipient address in your personal wallet, usually in the receive or deposit section. After entering the recipient address, review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and address. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The withdrawal process may take some time, depending on the blockchain network congestion and the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. It is essential to note that Revolut may charge a small fee for crypto withdrawals, and there may be network fees associated with the transaction. Make sure to check the fees before confirming the transaction. Best practices for withdrawing crypto from Revolut to a wallet include double-checking the recipient address, keeping your wallet and Revolut account secure, and being aware of the fees associated with the transaction. It is also important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions are subject to market volatility, and the value of your crypto may fluctuate. In conclusion, withdrawing crypto from Revolut to a wallet is a relatively straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can transfer your cryptocurrency from Revolut to a personal wallet, giving you more control over your assets. Always prioritize security, double-check transaction details, and be aware of the fees associated with the transaction.